Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Adder in AWS. Adder is yet another generative AI coding assistant. So let's get started. For this video, I am using AWS SageMaker notebook. So log into your AWS account, go to AWS SageMaker, and then in the left, you will see notebook instances. I already have created one notebook instance, which I have opened. If you don't know how to create it, I have another video explaining just that, and the video and the link to it is in the video's description. Okay, so this is my notebook. The first step you need to do is to set your OpenAI API key. If you don't have it, go to OpenAI's website, which is openai.com, and again I'll put the link in video's description. Click on create new secret key and you will get your new secret key. I already have it and I have set it in the environment with the export command, just like this. So as you can see, I already have set my OpenAI API key with export command, and don't forget to put exclamation mark in front of it. Okay, that's cool. Now before we install Adder, let's install a prerequisite which is called as C tags. It's not mandatory, but it always helps to have C tags. C tags allows any large language model or this coding assistant to have a broader context around your code. It's an open source project, so first command is to clone its repository. And don't worry, I'll put all the commands in video's description or a link to it. So click here, it is going to clone this C tags in your notebook environment. As you can see on your left hand side, it has already done that, which is correct. Let it complete. It is. So now cd to C tags. Click here. So now we're in the C tag directory. Now run this autogen.sh shell script with exclamation mark in front. Let it complete. As long as we have this tariq in front of it, it means that it is running. So let it finish. It has finished. Now come down. Next command is exclamation mark and then dot slash configure. Let it configure it. It doesn't take too long, which is great. Now as static is here, so wait for it to finish. So it's already finished the configure command. Next command is to make this project, and the command for it is exclamation mark and simply make. So let it finish. Okay, so make is finished, and now final command is to run make install, and then click here, and it is going to install it. It's very quick. So this is our prerequisite, which is correct. Now let's install Adder. So the command is simple exclamation mark pip install Adder dash chat. And before we, okay, let's install it here and wait for it to finish. Okay, sorry, there was a typo here. I forgot to mention install. Let me run it again. Cool. So it is installing it. Wait for it to finish. As you can see that Adder dash chat has finished installing. Come here and then that's it. So it has finished installing. Now let's see how can you use it. The command to use it is simply put exclamation mark Adder, and then maybe I'll say cowsay.py. This is just a file name. Click here and wait for it to come back. It so your API key needs to be there in order for this to work. Okay, so it says that OpenAI API key is not provided. Let me set it with the export command. Export OpenAI key is equal to, and let me grab my API key. Okay, so I was having some API key issues, as you can see here, where it was saying that OpenAI error, authentication error. In order to resolve this, make sure that when you specify your environment variable, you specify in this format in SageMaker notebook. So um, this sign and then env a percent sign env space and then your key name, and make sure there are no spaces between equal to on either side of this, and then your key name without any quotes. Once that's done, this will be good. Afterwards, just write semicolon header and then your file name. And then let me run it again so that we have, you know what I mean. So click here and it should run this header chatbot with the help of this command. So let's wait for it. Sometime I have seen it takes a bit of a time. And my API key doesn't support GPT-4, which is fine. It can work with GPT 3.5 or even I think the previous versions. Okay, so as you can see, it is running now. And in order to give it a prompt, you can just type whatever you want it to do. And also, if you press slash here and then help with header, let me header slash help, it should be able to give you some more options. Now let me also ask it to write a program. So let me first see in which directory I am. It's, okay, I think it is just in the terminal of Gauss, so which is fine. I'll just say create a program to maybe I'll just say create a Gauss program and then click here, and then it works a bit and then it dishes out your um, output. Okay, so I just needed to put semicolon before it. Let me see if that Gauss is still running. I think I just need to rerun that prompt here. Add a Gauss.py, come here and then run it again. It should produce a prompt. Cool. And now, okay, so it is not supporting my prompt, but let me see if it could just run it this time here. Data program. Because if it doesn't run here, we can always go to our Linux terminal. It doesn't seem like it is running in this notebook. Okay, let me switch over to the Linux terminal and then try it out over there. Okay, so in the same notebook, I switched over to terminals. So if you go and click on plus sign here at the top and then click on terminal, it will open the new terminal, which I have done. And then I ran adder.py after setting my OpenAI key again. And then you can just give it any command here. Let's see, create a program to produce Gauss, then enter. Okay, so it is the API thing. My OpenAI API key is being throttled and it is asking me that I have increased my quota because I have tried it a lot of time just to make this video anyway. But you get the idea. So this is how you can use your adder to generate code. And there are a lot of other good options with this adder too. If you go to their website, for example, you can create a lot of chat scripts, you can iterate on your code, plus there are a lot of other options. You can go through it. So I hope that you liked it. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. Thank you.